Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital How To. Today we're gonna check how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. So, wrapping a text around an image can make your document look a little more professional, and you can present it in a bit more visually appealing way, right? So that is why we wrap text around an image. Now, how to wrap text around an image? So, open your Google Doc, and then for now I've just added a dummy lorem ipsum text, and have an image of Lionel Messi here. So if I want to wrap this text around Messi's image, all I have to do is you have to okay. So before that, how do you insert an image? So to insert an image, you all have to go to insert image, and then again you have options to upload from computer, search from it. You can insert from the insert option in the menu bar. Once you have finished inserting your image, what you have to do is click on the image, just right click on it, and then you have an option called image options. Just click on image options, and then on the right hand side you'll see multiple options coming up: size and rotation, text wrapping, position, recolor adjustment, or text. So these are the options related to images that you can do, edits that you can do. So here, since you want to do a text wrapping around the image, all you have to do is click on the text wrapping, and a drop down comes up with the style. So there are about 5 styles you can do. So now I'm going to first check in line with text. Now what is in line with text, right? You see, I've, I I can place the image down, and the text. So I'm going to wrap text now, and the text comes around the image, right? This is one way. You can break text would be if you add a content, it becomes in between the content. If you want the behind the text, you can do that as well. If you want it in front of the text, you can do that as well. So these are the 5 options. In line with text would be it comes after a word. Basically the image comes after, in between, so there's no breakage of text basically. So these are the 5 options where you can wrap text. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.